DIY Easter special. We're here under the supervision of the Easter Bunny to give a facelift to this tired old bathroom using tired old builders.
The bank holiday. Here we go. A year later.
What year is it? What year?
2005.
So what are we doing this time?
We are doing the toilet and the bathroom.
Okay, we're going to have a look at that, shall we?
And hope all goes well.
This is the bathroom then.
Just a little tired.
I know I am, but I can't get out of it.
Bathroom.
Right.
Needs refreshing.
These are right refreshing.
What I call a mod con. Look at that bath rack. That will have to go, Mother.
She uses that to make the wallpaper.
Well, I use that.
Look at it.
That's your wallpaper.
It's been there years, hasn't it, Mother?
Is to do the ceiling, but as you can see, Dennis, as usual, is having problems. The ceiling's falling down, and the light fitting, well, it's so ancient. I don't know what's holding it.
There's your ceiling.
This is down the coal mine instead of in the wall.
I'm not grateful for them important classes.
It's Dennis. He's attempting to Artex. Keep more on him than he is on see.
What you up to, Dennis? You're meant to be repairing the place and making it worse.
Look at that. There'll be a light on the side of the window, I think.
Oh, what's new? We're used to holes and things going wrong in this house. Happy filling.
This is Artex in the ceiling in the bathroom. It doesn't come out bad for an amateur, I think.
You've been Artexing yourself as well. Yes. Are you fancy dressed this morning by any chance?
I didn't bring enough work clothes because I messed them all up yesterday with the Artexes. But today, it's plastic.
I've just seen a hand, so we'll go and investigate what the hand is. Good morning, Mrs. H.
Right, starting to put the blue on. Hello, assistant. Always tricky. What is that? What is that noise?
Yeah, that's your wife.
Is it? I'll find her. So what she's doing off. How's your neck?
It's alright till I stop.
Well, you know the answer to that.
Don't stop.
It's a couple of days now since we started. I thought 2 days would be finished by now. But, clocks went back last night, so it feels like the middle of the night. And still, we press on. As we're builders, we need a builder's breakfast.
Of making a radiator cover. He told me to show you what a genius he is, but while he's not here we'll tell you he had to redesign it because he forgot that the door opened, or rather it didn't. There's work afoot in the bathroom here. I'm not quite sure what's happening. Let's see if we can find out. What are you up to, Maggie?
The bath panelling seems to have gone a bit rotten. Need to renew it. Just a bit on the... Seen better days, so...
Oh, another simple thing to do. And leg it or at it again. I'm not quite sure what this is meant to be. It's a bit of a DIY effort, I think.
I know. This is a DIY effort. This is an effort.
Alright, just to prove Derek did appear today. This is our builder's work yard, and these are 2 amateur builders.
An apprentice.
Oh, promotion!
The only bits are screwed up.
Derek,
I don't care if it's level or not.
it's running downhill, Dill. What's it meant to be?
No, it's not.
What's it meant to be?
Oh no.
You're just...
I was given a bit of wood by my boss who told me make something of that, so that's what I did.
Now, can you see this bit of budget work? It's a bit of sellotape.
At the age of 20, Riley, he was still flapping about with bloody one. That's right, isn't it?
51.
Give me miles out.
No.
Yeah,
Having a laugh, aren't you?
we might give figs.
Easter bunnies arrived delivering the Easter cakes, which taste alright.
After 3 days of taking the paint off, I've repainted it. Hang on, we're on the sink.
That's really best.
The door opens now. A lot more.
Corn piece. And how long does it take me to do?
Over 2 hours. Just give it your little injection to nummies, Mr. Forty.
We have to go where we do it outside. Oh, I'm going home.
Below. After poor Derek and Debbie spending about 9 hours on it, we still have a leak. And now, unknown to Derek, there's a leak coming down his pipe as well. I reckon he's going to stay in bed all day, not bother turning up. Brand new shiny pipe. Hello Debbie, what are you up to?
Bloody Fred's got
No!
Fred's got on there. Can't get the thing to style on that.
Oh, leave it. The thread's gone on the new plastic bit to the loo. Right, this is Dennis's door. Shut the door, darling.
No.
Shut the door, darling.
My door.
Shut the door. Oh, and now that is such a beautiful angle, isn't it?
Going over the field. And another weekend, we got that area done. Have a look inside the cupboard. Now we'll have to give a little bit of storage space. I'll get a can of Sprite.
The cupboard. New electric pulleys, new electric sockets.
Down here, please.
Hang on. Oh, hang on. What have we got here? Oh, wow! What is it? It's a saucepan! No! It's something my brother did. The other brother over there, he's just been down the pub. He's a lazy toad. Owner of the house. Her hip still hurts. So what are you doing, Mother? She has been making tea and coffee though. This is her handyman. Doing something to the door. We'll see what later. What's going on? Let's repair the door.
It's a made-to-measure bathroom.
Thing up and down. This is the angle that you want it at. So, what do you reckon there? Yeah. So we'll have to see how, once it's on what they are and set it to what you like. Because it has sprays coming out of these and out of the middle.
Hang on, Flo. Right, switch it on and see it works okay while she's in there.
We've now got the shower head up in here. See, Anna's posh.
Oh. Oh.
How's that?
That is very posh. Very posh. It's mastic men and mastic cats and dogs.
What are you doing in my shower?
Floor, please.
Thank you very much.
You're not getting out. Not letting you out.
I'm clearing up my brother's mess.
Oh. This is the part where we put the finishing touches of little ornaments and dishes, and then go on to those wonderful before and after shots. So let's have lots of oohs and ahs. Mrs. Horner returns from her weekend away in a hotel. So then look at her.
Picking it up and dancing too much.
Look at our renovated bathroom. She will appear soon. Ah, she's appeared. Hello. Your bathroom is ready for inspection, madam.
Oh, thank you very much.
That's okay.
Well, that's great. Oh, look at her.
Well, it's seaside-y, ain't it?
Yeah. Okay.
And then when you sit on the loo and shut the door,
Nobody's going to piddle on the back, are they?
no. We sort of tried to do a seaside-y, thought, oh, I can't resist that. I thought she'll love that.
Oh, that's
It
lovely.
just fits, yeah. It is a bath mat. It is a bath mat
Yeah.
for getting in and out. So all I've still got to get a bowl of some description for these shells. Your little things to go in the bath. You'll have to use your other bath mat for now.
Is that the...
Is that all right? And then whatever else. And that just the door just goes round his fins.
Yes, I've said it. Oh. Yes, I've said it.